Alright guys, I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube about using this 1x30 Harbor Freight belt sander, and can't find anything with a good angle jig to use that I've got laying around. But I found this where I just got a couple of 99-cent clamps from Harbor Freight, clamped them to the table, and put my speed square on there, and it keeps pretty dang good angle every time. So, you know, it's not perfect. It has its flaws, and I'm sure there's much better ways to do it, but this is mine. And I'm just going to show it real quick. It's pretty easy. So when it comes to getting the very tip of it, you still got to put a little pressure on there that you have to manually control, but for the most part, I don't know if you can see that, does a pretty good job.